Hi guys! Mag-unboxing ko sa akong glasses na pink guys. So, i-open na tong glasses na pink na
Tinapay para almusal, malunggay, pandesal, walang halok na chemical. Isa sigaw, lamig kayo gusto.
I'm gonna try to... Mama, kanina. Mama, katani. Look at guys, this is pink one and I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna fit it. So, do you open this? Yay! Yay! Guys, Dylan! So let's wear it, guys. Hi. So I'm gonna wear it forever. When I go to grade 2, I'm gonna wear it. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna wait. Tinapay, mangungasal, malunggay, pandesal, walang halok ng kemikal. Isa singko! Lami kayo! Busog kayo! Yo. Is that cute, guys? Comment below if it's cute, guys. If you say cute, I will like your comment. If you don't say it, then I will not like your comment. So say cute in the comments and leave a like, leave a heart in the comments, guys. Please, guys, because like and sub, guys, because I want to hit 100 subscribers. So hilom. I hope you guys like and subscribe, guys, because I want to hit 100 subscribers. So bye, guys. I love you guys. I hope you like and subscribe. So I will like your comment. Bye, guys. Bye.